In the UK, we don't usually get so much sunshine, but this summer has been exceptional. Quite similar to the summer of 1976. If you were around then, I think I was about 8. And yeah, this weather we've been having, it is exceptional. Some places have gone 52 days without rain. Look at the state of the grass. It's completely brown. That's kind of almost unheard of for the UK. So when the rain clouds formed yesterday, and it did actually rain a bit in Herefordshire, this is what I filmed. My dog, he's a Bichon. I'll put a little picture of him here. He had some kind of seizure, possibly a petit mal seizure. He's on anti-seizure medication, but he's walking with a bit of a head tilt like that, bless him. And yeah, he's not too good. He's 15 almost. He'll be 15 in December. And he's the most absolutely beautiful dog. And yeah, I'm really sad that he's poorly. He's been to the vets 3 times now, and they're doing all they can for him. But yeah, we'll see what has to happen soon. At the minute, he's still enjoying life. He's eating well, he's drinking well, loving his cuddles, and that's the most important thing. He isn't in any pain, and he's managing really well. So fingers crossed that continues. If you'd like to know more about that, please pop down and subscribe. I'll put another video out on Monday. Thank you. Cheers.